May I have your full name, please?
Miguel Perez.
And do you have a middle name, Mr. Perez?
Rodriguez.
And your date of birth, please.
11/24/2000.
All right, sir, you are here on a fugitive of justice warrant. This was issued out of the state of Idaho on May 20th, 2019. It is an arrest warrant charging one count, child custody interference, a felony offense. When the warrant was issued, $1 million bond was set, so that is the bond if you decide to fight extradition. Did you have a chance to read that card?
Yeah.
And you understand you have a right to an extradition hearing?
Can you touch on that?
Sure, and you would have a right to hire your own attorney. At the extradition hearing, governor's warrant would need to be signed by the governor of Arizona and the governor of Idaho. At the hearing itself, the state of Idaho would have to put on evidence to prove they have a right to get you back there, i.e. to face the charge that I just reviewed with you. That could take up to 90 days, and you would be entitled to a bond. As I said, when they issued the warrant, the bond was set at $1 million. It would be a cash bond. Now, if you decide to waive your hearing, you do lose your bond, so you would have to wait in jail for Idaho to come pick you up. But instead of it taking up to 90 days, they would have only up to 30 days to come pick you up from our jail, presuming you don't have anything in Arizona keeping you in custody. Do you have any other Arizona matters?
Not that I know of.
All right. So if they don't come get you by the 31st day, our jail will release you. Now, the warrant would still be valid. So if something happens and they don't come get you and our jail releases you, you still should probably get over to Idaho so that you can take care of this.
Okay.
What would you like to do today? Today, you have to decide on whether or not you want to have your hearing or waive that hearing.
Look, I want to talk to my attorney about it. I'm not really sure what's...
All right. I am not going to appoint an attorney for you, but you are able to.
Yeah, I'm going to hire my own.
What I will do then is indicate here that you're not waiving your right and then give you an opportunity to get your own attorney and you guys discuss what you want to do going forward. I'm going to affirm the bond that was set. It is a cash bond of $1 million, and your next court date is May 29th at 1:30 p.m. It is a fugitive from justice hearing initial. Please step to your right so that you can sign for your conditions, and if you wouldn't mind handing that card over to my clerk, I'd appreciate it. Thank you. Mr. Hendershot, give me 1 second. That concludes the 2 o'clock calendar. The court will stand in recess until 5 p.m. Yes, sir.